Hi, I'm Milligan, and today I'm going to be making some fresh handmade pasta. This isn't your average pasta, it only uses the egg yolks, and that really highlights the flavor of the egg. So you're going to want to start by measuring out 3 cups of flour. Then you're going to want to make a well in the middle of the flour. Then you're going to crack in 12 egg yolks. Then you're going to want to top that with about a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a large pinch of salt. Now you're going to want to take a fork and start on the inside and whisk all the yolks together and gradually bring in the flour from the outside of the well. Once it comes together, it still might be a little bit dry. If so, you can add back some of the egg whites or even some water. Once the dough is all together, you're going to want to knead it for about 5 minutes until the glutens develop and it all becomes one solid color. Once you finish kneading the dough, you can either use a pasta machine or roll it by hand. For the pasta machine, I'll start on a thicker level and get the dough to a consistent thin sheet, and then I'll gradually make it thinner until it's about see-through, and you could read a newspaper through the pasta. When you're rolling it out with a machine, it's very important to add a lot of flour because it can get very sticky. Every fold that I make to organize the pasta, I like to toss in a little bit of flour. Once you've rolled it out, you're going to want to fold it over itself and use a knife to cut any size pasta that you'd like. If your pasta is well floured, you can just put it in little bird's nests, but if not, you can hang it and dry it like that so it doesn't all stick together. When cooking your pasta, you want to bring your water to a boil and salt it so it tastes like the sea. Then you want to add in your pasta, and the pasta only takes minutes to cook. For this pasta, I just like to do a simple butter sauce so that you can really taste the flavor of the eggs and the pasta. I'm just browning some butter and adding in some sage and salt. And then once the pasta is about done, I'll put it in with the butter. Using all these egg yolks to make a very special pasta is really fun, but I'd say it's a very special dish that's good for special occasions.